welcome back. We're just gonna do a little quick video on a huge transformation for my sister. She currently has 2 rows of hand-tied extensions in there, and she is blonde, but we are gonna soften all this base and bring it down a little bit, her root color, and do a reverse balayage. And then we're also gonna take out the extensions and kind of chop her to about like here-ish. So if you guys want to see the transformation, stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we first started off by removing her 2 rows of hand-tied extensions, or natural beaded rows as you will call them. So we just continue to remove these, and then we'll get into the coloring process and show you guys the transformation that we did to her hair. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at hairby_Sam with 3 M's, and we look forward to making more videos for you guys. Alright, so we are just going in with Schwarzkopf's Vario Lightener with 20 volume just for her front hairline here. We really like it nice and bright. I'm all about the money pieces, so we're just going to add a really nice bright face framing piece. We're going to do about 3 foils on each side and then probably 4 on the top. And then we're going to go in with a darker color to reverse balayage her hair to give her more of a fall look. So we're just going in with baby lighting. It's basically just a baby light fine weave. I think it looks the most flattering on a blonde, and it just gives it such a nice soft look. So I love baby lighting. It's pretty much all I do with my balayages. It's one of the best things, and it looks more natural and they're not chunky, and it just looks so nice. So we're just going in with our Framar brush, which are amazing, and our Framar foils, which are the Desert Bloom, which we absolutely love. We really just can't get over these foils. We love them so much, and my clients absolutely adore them as well.
So we did one baby light, now we're just going to go in with another one. I like to leave these pieces out and then I'll do that section after, but I just do like these little tiny little guys here. I kind of know what I'm doing after like almost 6 years of doing hair. I don't tend to section much, but if you are newer to doing blonding and stuff, I would definitely make more precise sectioning, but in the front I kind of am used to doing it this way, so why change it, you know? When you're used to something. Always fold these in just to kind of keep them closed. And we're using the Framar Desert Bloom foils. We freaking love these. All my clients love them. And We're just gonna kind of pin this out of the way for now so we can get these little tiny ones. And you always want to like follow the shape of their hairline. You don't want to fight with it because when you follow it, it just looks that much better. Plus, like a lot of people leave these pieces here dark and it just looks horrible. So make sure you get really nice baby light fine sections. Very fine weaves, but they're kind of like slices just because it gives more of a muddy piece in the front. We're just doing 3. I might do one more at the top actually. And this one you're just gonna do more of like a spaced out weave. And you're not gonna bring this one completely to the root, you're just gonna kind of feather it up a little. This is just Kevin Murphy's Paint On Lightener, and it's a 20 volume. Their 20 volume is like a 10. So we're literally just brightening up these ends a little bit. We're not really doing anything too crazy, and we just want to make that line kind of seamless. Make the ends pop a little bit, since she does hold on to warmth a lot. Use Paint On Lightener often. It's just when I want like something to just pop out a little bit more. I usually use all foiling techniques mainly for all balayages, but in this case, since she's pretty light, we just want to like do a little bit of a pop. I'm just gonna add a little bit.